Once again this evening, and I'm out here at the bee yard, and I see some of my bees are doing orientation flights. Look at that. New workers coming out, and it's in the evening, so they're probably going to go bedding down before long. But this one here was actually having a lot of orientation just about 15 minutes ago, but they're starting to slow down too. So the bees are multiplying. Well, the workforce is. Today I've been spending my day making videos for you. So I hope you do watch them over and over or longer, all the way through. Yeah, I'm gonna have some videos coming out in October about what I'm doing with these hives. This one here is doing big time, isn't it? Lots of new workers coming out to do the field force. And this one here still has a few stragglers that haven't figured out where the front door is when I turned it around there. But they eventually do get into the front. There goes one now figuring it out. Oh, well, maybe it just, one just stung me in the head. I don't know why. I'm just standing here. Bee? Oh, well, I guess he didn't like me. Or she didn't like me. So I'll stay out of her way. Yeah, just telling a little kid that if you don't look out, you get stung. Come over here. This is what I've been doing, whacking off trees, trying to get back to where I can see my equipment. There's my swarm trap that over the summer, it just grew up with trees around. Those trees grow 3 feet a year. No, 3 feet a month. No, 3 feet a year. They do. I think they go faster than that, actually. I don't know why that bee stung me. Got me right in the forehead. Let's see if we can see that. Do you see that? Right there. Well, you know, I worked in this bees all week, and they didn't seem to be even bothering coming out to see me. Yeah, I had them open, and I think I could have just done them without even having a suit on, but or gloves. But I do wear a veil most of the time. There's another one kind of checking me out. Maybe I should get out of here. Bees sting, and they do hurt. But now that I've been doing it for 6 or 7 years, I've got immune to it a bit. So it really doesn't hurt that much. Hurts for a few minutes and then goes away. When I first started, wow, they just made me swell up like crazy. I was going to quit those bees right after I got started, sure enough. But I kept at it, and I got immune to them. So it really doesn't hurt that much. I'm starting to get the yard cleaned up, and I'm real happy about that. I've got one more hive there. That one did the orientation flights back there. I've got to go through it, and I was going to do it today, but I got busy making YouTube videos. I haven't even made the videos yet. I just made the outline of what I'm going to do for about 4 of them, because in October I got other things going on, so I need to have about 4 videos for October anyway, at least. And they won't be little short ones like here. They'll be much better, more detailed, I think. That's what the plan is anyway. But I still gotta get these weeds pulled and chopped up, doing all that kind of stuff. So I'll be busy doing that for the next 7 or 8 days probably. Lots of cleaning up here to do, get oriented myself back to beekeeping. So it's pretty nice out here now. It's starting to cool down. Wasn't that hot today, but it rained this morning, so I didn't really want to work in the bee yard because I didn't want to work in the rain, and the bees probably wouldn't like that either. Yep, they're doing really good. I'm really liking seeing those field force coming out here. All new ones. Now, one of the things I'm doing is feeding 1 to 1.5 sugar syrup. So I bought some sugar today too. So Gonna have to keep at it and keep these bees fed till winter comes, and I hope they have a good supply of pollen patties. While they're eating pollen patties, I put in there too. Pollen and also sugar syrup. So some of them got some shortages on honey, so I do need to get them caught up.